Hello everyone, I guess you all are doing fine and having a great time. So today what I'm going to do here is I'm going to talk about IELTS writing. Here in Bangladesh and India, mostly people are lacking in writing part. Sometimes they cannot understand the question pattern. Sometimes they may lack in grammar. So today I'm not going to talk about grammar, rather I have to talk about question pattern. So there are three types of question pattern can be uh, used in your IELTS writing, basically, dear. So these three types are like opinion one, hybrid, and non-opinion. So in opinion, what you have to do basically? Like in opinion, you might have to go for one direction. Actually, you might know. You must have to go for one direction. You have to choose one way only. If you go for two options, then it will reduce your marks significantly. So, for example, in your opinion essay, they might ask you, do you think ebooks and internet can replace traditional newspapers, magazines, and books? So here they are asking for your opinion. You have to choose one. For example, if you think yes, then you have to talk only for yes. How this ebook and internet can replace those traditional magazines and newspapers. Just you have to talk and you have to prove your opinion that on which point you have agreed. In hybrid essay, basically you have to talk about both of the option and then finally in conclusion you have to say or you have to conclude your opinion or which one having major significant effect. For example, question could be like this: do you think people who loves to play cricket is more intelligent than people who plays football? Here I'm playing a tricks with you. This is basically opinion one. This is not hybrid one. So how will you understand this one is hybrid? Basically in hybrid, they might ask you what is the advantage and disadvantage of playing sports, right? So you just have to talk about advantage first, then you will talk about disadvantage maybe, then finally if you think this has more advantage than disadvantage, you have to conclude this. In no opinion essay, basically you have nothing to say about their advantage or disadvantage. You just have to give the information. This is more or less descriptive one. You just have to talk about the information like what is computer. Just give the information. You don't need to check any opinion or give any opinion, or you don't need to even talk about the advantage and disadvantage. Thank you. Like it will clear out some confusion that you are having regarding IELTS writing. Thank